On the red wet road, you lift your lens, I fix your load. We trace the edge of this emerald land, seesaw wind curling through your hand. Names in my notebook smudged with rain, laughing at the way you say them again. Philippine duck by the mangrove line, tiny ripples cross your eyes with mine. This is our bird list of our love, every feather, every frame, every sky above. Wonder it can get my hiker's heart. Click by click we keep a wild memoir. Dinagat dreaming in your arms, our bird list of our love. White-collared kingfisher on a twisted root. You whisper, hold still, like you talk to the chute. Spotted dove on the chapel wire, soft gray chest like a bank down fire. Wandering, whistling duck, skimming low, calm a morn where the lilies grow. Zebra doves on the market roof, I lean on you when they lift in a swoop. This is our bird list of our love, every feather, every frame, every sky above. Wonder it can get my hiker's heart. Click by click we keep a wild memoir. Dinagat dreaming in your arms, our bird list of our love. Colito chorus in the canopy, yellow vented bulbul tuning dawn for free. Red turtle dove, where your fingers brush mine. That little sunbird steals the last of the light.